How to make pancakes, a simple recipe. Pancakes are a classic breakfast loved by people of all ages. Whether you're cooking for a lazy Sunday morning or a busy weekday, making pancakes from scratch is a breeze. Today we'll guide you through a straightforward recipe for delicious, homemade pancakes. For this you will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup buttermilk, or milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, cooking oil or butter for the pan. Combine dry ingredients. Whisk the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together in a mixing bowl. This ensures even distribution of these dry ingredients. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk the buttermilk or milk, egg, and melted butter until well combined. The melted butter adds a rich flavor. Now combine wet and dry ingredients. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. Gently stir until just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing can make your pancakes tough. Preheat the pan. Place a pan over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of cooking oil or butter to coat it. Pour the batter. Once the pan is hot, pour a scoop of pancake batter onto it. Use about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of batter for each pancake, depending on your desired size. Cook until bubbles form. Watch for bubbles to appear on the surface of the pancake. This typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. When bubbles form and the edges look set, it's time to flip. Flip and cook. Carefully flip the pancake with a spatula and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes or until the other side is golden brown. Serve and enjoy. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Pancakes can be kept warm in a low oven, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius, while you cook the rest. Toppings and extras. Pancakes are incredibly versatile, and you can top them with your choice of toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, chocolate chips, whipped cream, or even a dollop of yogurt. With this simple pancake recipe, you can whip up a stack of delicious, homemade pancakes in no time. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more everything how-tos. Thank you for watching.